What will happen to Dogecoin over the next trading sessions or even months? It's highly uncertain, as there's been a slew of news and comments decrying cryptocurrencies as speculative investments that can gravely harm financial stability. However, the financial system is flush with cash, as central banks have printed vast amounts of their currencies and then bought corporate sector bonds and government bonds. Some citizens in developed economies are worried that the value of the currency will suddenly fall, public debt will rise to staggeringly high levels, and inflation will reduce the value of their assets. So what does that mean for Dogecoin? Well, let's look at the number of asset owners in the US and the average income. These are important macro factors that should be considered when looking at the probable outcome for Dogecoin in the coming months. A great deal of Dogecoin investors are individuals who are unable to invest in Bitcoin due to its rocket-high price. So let's look at the next big break for Dogecoin. When might it be and what will be the drivers? Hello and welcome back to Crypto Lion, your go-to place for up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. For those of you who are new to this channel and are curious to learn about Doge, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer various rewards and benefits. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, there's the option to join and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, and predictions. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comments. Plenty has happened in the crypto world. Some people have sold their positions in cryptos, while others have seized this as a buying opportunity. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's SNL appearance showed that Doge did not always react positively to the Tesla boss's remarks. After the currency was called a hustle, its price tanked. But Doge has been known to reverse its gains after previous rallies. If anyone remembers, Doge was trading close to 50 cents on Doge Day, and market sentiment was pointing to 60 cents as the next resistance level. For most people, Doge is one of those fringe assets that are not worth investing in. There's no rationale to this view, as the end goal of any investment is to earn a dividend or make a profit. In previous videos, we've gone into this in greater detail, but it's important to remind most Doge holders that if you purchase the coin at the start of the year, you've made a lot of money in the last 4 months. A $1,000 Dogecoin buy on January 1st, 2021 at a price of less than a penny per coin would be worth $121,000 at Wednesday's peak of 69 cents, representing a gain of more than 12,000%. That's not bad when you consider low interest rates and ultra-expensive competitors. This is enough justification for further rallies, but Dogecoin will likely return to its previous support level of 55 cents before reaching the $1 by year-end. Meanwhile, other cryptocurrencies have rallied recently, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, which rose 95% and 370% respectively. During the same period, a $1,000 Bitcoin transaction would be worth $1,953, while an Ether purchase would have been worth $4,686. Still, before you buy Dogecoin in the hopes of profiting from the surge, keep in mind that success and stability don't always go hand in hand. And many have warned of Dogecoin's potential bubble. When it comes to a speculative token like Dogecoin, it's important to have clear investment goals. With this in mind, there's a risk that people begin buying the dip, which will cause the price of Doge to rise. And while the volatility index is currently low, it creates an incentive for people to invest in riskier assets and gain a higher return. Low interest rates and quantitative easing are presently suitable for financial markets, but the ultra-low interest rates equally mean low, if not negative, returns on government bonds in some countries. The broader sentiment in crypto markets appears to be okay. There's a raft of central bank meetings in the coming months that will reiterate the need for monetary policy to stay accommodative. The continuous flow of money into the financial sector will weigh on the currency and raise inflationary pressures. The changing consumer preferences noticeable across financial markets will equally determine how the price of Doge rises to $5. Working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising, Musk said on Twitter. On Binance, Dogecoin has risen from 43 cents to 52 cents following its dip after Saturday Night Live. It's still uncertain if Musk is referring to energy consumption, ease of use, or currency suitability. In any case, one tweet from him these days is enough to dictate the course of any cryptocurrency. It's worth noting that Dogecoin was almost useless at the beginning of this year, but recently has risen to almost $1. This is Dogecoin's second pump since the Doge Father's appearance on SNL. Musk also announced earlier this week that SpaceX, his private space company, would fly the DOGECOin mission to the moon in the first quarter of next year. Not just that, but the whole mission will be paid for in Dogecoin, which is a first. As a result, Doge would be the first cryptocurrency to reach the moon, and also the first meme in space, which is ironic. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has plummeted in value after Musk's announcement that Tesla will not use it because it uses too much energy. On May 12th, he announced that Tesla would no longer allow Bitcoin as a form of payment due to the high cost of mining. Doge is already back to trading to 57 cents, suggesting that the recovery appears to be gathering pace after the currency plummeted to 35 cents earlier this week. According to coinmarketcap.com, it has risen to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, has also seen a 400% increase in value this year. Last I checked, it was trading at $3,865, unchanged for the week. According to a Bloomberg article published on Thursday, the massive movements have drawn regulatory attention, which said that major exchange Binance was under investigation. This will raise Elon Musk's profile even further. Any talk of an inquiry into Dogecoin will equally drive the price up, as the whole point of decentralized currencies is to escape government scrutiny and enable individuals to trade and use the currencies they want. This, in isolation, is our rationale for the currency rising to $5, and there is a chance that Elon Musk will further tweet about the currency. The next bull run will see the price of Doge rise to 80 cents. This could happen choppily, meaning that there will be some corrections along the way, but nothing to fret about. There is a mix of structural and cyclical factors that will determine the next bull run. First, comments from prominent market actors, central bankers, and journalists will determine the perception of Doge to newcomers. And I say this because there is a chance that the Doge community will continue to rise at a faster pace. The Elon Musk stint on SNL was equally one of the boosters for the currency, even after the price fell precipitously. The broader sentiment in crypto markets is positive, which bodes well for Dogecoin that is cheap and widely available compared to Bitcoin. Finally, an uncertain inflation outlook will cause some investors to think about hedging against such risks, which will inadvertently cause the price of Doge to rise. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on it, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications to be updated every time we upload a new video. Don't forget, you can now join the channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button. And don't forget to also join the free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments section down below, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos for more about Doge. Good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.